Spiritual cleansing of the planet. Cleanse yourself and everyone you've ever come in contact with. One of the roles you have as a lightworker on this planet is what we call a cleaner, and it represents the part of the job that includes cleaning the planet through cleaning yourself and everyone else you have ever been in contact with. So, don't allow these scary and difficult times scare you and make you feel like you haven't accomplished anything, because, in this way, God knows what other fears, old and new, will emerge and try to shackle you. The truth is that, by making the decision to come to this earth, you have taken upon yourself a huge responsibility, a very important mission. And it is to clean the planet. You started doing it by cleaning yourself and making your energy flow strong enough to sympathize with all living beings. Enhanced compassion and empathy make you feel, recognize, gain insight, and help others even more. But more importantly, as soon as you get energetically involved with anyone and everything, you take over parts of their burdens, those parts they, as souls, can't be relieved of because of the lack of strength or knowledge they have, yet. They deserve mercy, and that's why you have been placed on their path. Anyone you came into contact with, left part of their garbage in your life because you agreed to it. You know you are strong enough to help. More precisely, you have taken that part upon yourself because it is in your job description, liberation. That's why you are the one feeling shaken up the most, because everything you have taken upon is being released. The avant-garde always clears the way for the rest of the people. And when you are the first, you have the most intense experiences and struggles. You are the one who breaks through the wall, letting the rest through as smoothly and harmlessly as possible. So do not judge yourself because of the extreme situations that come up during portal openings and increased consciousness levels during this period of intense shift. So, congratulate yourself. Not so conceitedly or arrogantly, but with gratitude for having the opportunity to do your job and to do it well, and you do it well because the results are visible. It's quite simple. More people are touched by your light, more and more people understand the energy in the spiritual background of themselves and the world. Operator, if you like our article, give Conscious Reminder a thumbs up, and help us spread love light. Operator.